What you got for me?
I've got you some brisket that my husband.
So what is this?
This is grilled ciabatta bread, peanut butter, and so that should be all. Okay, but wait.
That's good. The crunch.
Yeah. So, but you got to put the meat on it.
The meat in there?
Yeah, look.
I see it. I see it. Hold up.
Okay, so these, I didn't have any green bell pepper, so it's just yellow and red. And
what is this?
Brisket. This is A1 sauce.
A1 sauce.
This is bruschetta that I made. You can dip your bread into that. That is au jus.
What's au jus?
That's the broth. Au jus. This is horseradish and mayonnaise.
This is horseradish?
Yes, and mayonnaise.
Made out of horse?
Not horse, but you've heard of horseradish, haven't you?
No.
Well, so you know, wasabi is made from a radish, a horseradish. Okay, so this is just it's called a tonic. So it's spicy. And I just need to know what your schedule is.
Look, when did you make this?
This we made a few weeks ago, but it's been vacuum sealed. So it's like made today because I just opened the package.
Okay. Do I need to warm it up?
I would.
Okay. I will. You know, let's.
No, I want you to try it though.
Do I need to heat this up, or I don't need to?
Just try it. Just
I don't need to heat it up.
No, you can just eat it. It's all cooked. So I just want you to try it. You can heat it up later.
You know what? Fuck it.
I'm just curious. So what I would do?
It's like
It's and it's fatty. So this meat was not only smoked, but it was also cooked in a sous vide. Sous vide.
It's good. Come
Okay.
on. That was good.
Yeah,
I can't eat
I know.
too much.
Just do me a favor.
Woo! What?
And dip your bread into this.
Dip my bread into that?
Yeah, and bite it.
Okay.
Do you like it?
I do. It's different, but I like it.
It's just my version of an Italian thing. Now, I would not only just...
Do you want me to give you these back?
No, you don't have to.
Damn, they're good.
You like?
Yes, I do.
I'm so glad.